On the purchasing side specifically, or procurement side, one of the most common alerts is a PO goes out above the baseline cost. So going back to the baseline cost example. So, hey, when we purchase this widget from this supplier, it should cost $1, and we just issued a PO for $1.50, right? So that alert will go out to the supply chain team and say, hey, just FYI, there's a PO that was issued that was outside of the control limits for this baseline cost. And they would have the opportunity to disposition that, say, oh, yes, that was approved, or what's going on, that was a typo, or maybe we had a cost increase by our supplier. We need to manage that. But that's a real-time alert that sits on top of the purchasing data that notifies the purchaser and whoever else needs to be notified. Data tells you things to look at, but ultimately the humans actually have to do it, right? So we're still in the human business. So, humans make the decisions, at least as of today. So if we can at least notify them, there's a chance that we could correct that PO before it gets issued. Or just understand, we do have inflationary pressure on this part. We have to handle it. Now I need to go to the commercial team and say, hey, how are we going to pass that on? Like we just have a cost increase. We can't negotiate down. We either need to eat it or pass it on. But at least it's in the hands of people that can make those decisions instead of looking at some report out through finance 2 months later, like where you have no shot, right? So we call those real-time alerts, and they really just ignite business process.